Warning is in effect.
The National Weather Service in Ruskin has issued an extreme wind warning for southwestern Charlotte County in southwestern Florida, south central Sarasota County in west central Florida, until 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:02 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated extreme winds associated with the eye wall of Hurricane Ian were moving onshore 15 miles northwest of Pineland or 20 miles southwest of Punta Gorda, moving northeast at 5 miles per hour. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. A tornado watch remains in effect until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for southwestern and west central Florida.